Welcome, in front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone doesn't detect your SIM card. First of all, try reinserting your SIM card carefully. Open the SIM card slot using a pin. Be careful with it. Now, once you open it, take your SIM card outside and then use some soft, dry cloth to carefully wipe it. Maybe there's something with the contacts. Okay, so remove your SIM card from the SIM card slot. Then carefully wipe it. And now I'm gonna show you how to reinsert it. So grab your SIM card and SIM card slot like this. Put them together like this, then sit your SIM card inside carefully so that it doesn't fall out of the slot. Like this. Okay, and now you can reinsert your SIM card into your phone and see if it detects it. Now if it doesn't, then what you can do is test the SIM card in another phone and see if another phone detects your SIM card. And if other phones detect your SIM card, then you should go to this settings, select system updates, and check for updates. Check if your system is up to date, and if it's not, then take your time to install the newer version of your software, because this might also affect the way that your hardware works. And as a last resort, you can go to the system. You can go to the reset options, then select reset mobile network settings, select reset settings, confirm again, and then check if your SIM card started working. And if it doesn't, then at this point you should contact your carrier and tell them about your issue and maybe verify your data plan. Maybe there are some outages, or maybe your SIM card is simply inactive. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.